Hey guys, welcome back to RSCARPREMIUM. So one more upgrade we are doing on headlights. So on Tata Harrier, this was the molded headlight from the company. So what we are going to do is we are going to add an aftermarket LED projector to it. So this will be around 130 watts. It will work as it was working on your original headlamp. The low beam and high beam, your adjustment, everything will be working as usual as it was working in your original headlights. So let's go and check the output on the real-time road. If you guys wanted to get your car upgraded with good quality projectors, please reach out to RSCARPREMIUM.